Welcome to Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make a lovely Jamaican fried dumpling. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click that notification bell to get further contents like these. The ingredients for this lovely Jamaican fried dumpling will be down in the description box, so you guys can just go over and check it out.
Jave Beats exclusive.
Now here's what you need to make that lovely Jamaican fried dumpling. I'm using 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter of granulated white sugar. Now I'm going to start out with my flour. Also your baking powder. Also your salt. Now I'm just going to give this a sieve so I don't get no lump inside my flour. There we go, guys, just like that. Now I'm going to add my sugar in. I'm just going to use a spoon and just give that a stir. Just mix that around, mix in your sugar. Just like that. After you mix your flour, you're going to add your butter in. Now when you add in your butter, you're just going to squeeze up your butter inside of your flour until you get that breadcrumbs feeling. When you're finished squeezing up your butter inside the flour, you're going to get a breadcrumbs feeling. You just want to squeeze it up into your flour like this. And then you're going to feel the flour have that breadcrumbs feelings. Yes guys, so you want to do it. Now when you get that breadcrumbs feelings from your flour, when you add in your butter, now you're going to start out by adding your water to make that dough. So guys, this is how you want to start out to make your dough. Just like that guys, start out like that and make your dough. You add some more water to it. See you guys back when I'm finished making my dough. Show you guys what it's looking like when this dough is finished. Now there you have it. That's how you want your dough to look. Not too wet, not too dry, just perfect. Just a little bit sticky. That's how you want it to be, guys. Just like that. I actually use 6 ounces of water in my flour when I was kneading it. Yes guys, that's how you want to do it. Now I'm just going to sit this here, cover it up with my cling film for about 20 minutes before I start to fry it. Yes, put this down one side. Now here's my dough after that 20 minutes. This is how you want it to look. Guys, now you're going to take some flour and sprinkle on your surface, guys. Make sure your surface is clean. Guys, just like that. I'm going to take your dough now. You're going to spread it out on your and start to roll it. Guys, you're going to do it like this. This is how much dumpling you can get from your dough. Yes guys, just roll it out like that guys, just like that. There you have it guys. Then you're going to take your knife and just cut it into half. you get about 1, 2, 3, 4. So about 8, guys. You get 8 dumplings from your dough. Now guys, you're gonna take some flour, sprinkle in your hand, just like that. And you're gonna start to roll your doughs, guys. So you wanna roll them into a ball, just like that, guys. Just roll them around. Just like that. So you want your dough to look, guys, simple and easy. Just roll them in your hand middle to make that perfect fried dumpling, guys. Just like that. You're gonna get a tray. If you don't got a tray, you can use a plate. Also, just sprinkle some flour on that so your dumpling don't stick to it. Just guys. And just put them on there like that. Then you're gonna roll them again. See how when I'm finished rolling all my dumpling, guys, you're gonna see how they look. Just like that. Now there you have it, guys. That's how you want to roll your dumpling, as what I was saying before. Just guys, just like that. Now I'm finished rolling all my 8 dumplings. Guys, it's time to fry them now. Guys, you can preheat your oil for about 5 minutes before you add them to your oil. But before you add them to it, you're also going to leave back a piece of that dough, a little piece of it, just to join it to test the oil, guys. I will show you when I'm doing it. Now, as you can see, my oil is preheating. I've used 5 cups of oil in my frying pan because I like when my oil cover my dumplings. Fires on medium-low heat. See when my oil is ready. Now after the 5 minutes of preheating your oil and medium-low heat, remember I told you I'm going to take a piece of dough, put it into my oil to test if my oil is ready for the rest of my doughs to go in. Yes guys, my oil is ready. I can start applying my doughs in now. Enough. Just like that, guys. You want to sink your finger in, just like that. And then you put them in. See you back when I'm finished with these doughs. When they're golden brown, I will show you guys step by step, guys, while I do these fried dumplings. And you can't go wrong. Yes, guys. It's going to take about 8 minutes to fry your dumplings, 4 on each side. Now as you can see, they start to get that golden brown color, guys. I'm going to turn them just like that. Turn them on the next side. Turn them over, guys. Make it fry. These guys are looking lovely and smelling so delicious. So you want to do them, guys. Turn them over, let them fry on the next side, guys. See you when they're now. As you see, guys, my fried dumplings are finished. They can come out after the 8 minutes. Yes, guys. So you want them to look golden brown. Looking so lovely, guys. Just gonna take them out. There you have it, guys. That's how you prepare your fried dumpling for that 8 minutes. They're looking so golden brown and so yummy and lovely. It's smelling so delicious, guys. Now here's my fried dumpling when I'm finished frying them. Yes, guys, that's how they look. Looking so lovely and tasting so wonderful, guys. Thanks for watching Matt Gourmet Kitchen. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hit me up in the comment section, guys. Tell me what you think about these lovely fried dumpling when you try them at home with your family or friends. Yes, guys. Until next time.